There are two different types of gait belt. The gait belt on my right hand is a typical gait belt that you will be sent home from a hospital. That is the typical gait belt that you will see. You can buy these type of gait belts that only have one weight that they go on, and they lock really well. Once they're adjusted, they do not move. These gait belts that you typically get sent home with, there is a correct way and an incorrect way to belt these. You always go through the buckle first. You don't go through the smooth side, because if you go through the smooth side, they will not lock. You always go through the buckle first, and then you always go through the smooth side second to make sure those teeth lock. When you're putting on a gait belt, you want to put it on as low on their waist as you possibly can. Again, going through the buckle, you want to tighten it up. Now, sometimes it's difficult to tighten up when someone's sitting down. So what you would do is you go ahead and put it through the smooth side, and then have them lean back if they're able to tighten this up, and then lock it in. When you're done with the transfer, then you want to relieve them of that tightness by just loosening the gait belt like that. You can still leave it on.